Hello student, welcome in this second lecture of Geography of Standard 10. Here we are going to study about the location and extent of Indian Brazil. In the last video we have seen that latitude and longitudes, and that was the introductory video of the globe. And now here we are going to see about the location and extent of Indian Brazil, and again we are going to do the study of comparative study of important details between India and Brazil. But before that, first of all, we will see about the flags of these two countries. Yes, these are the flags of two different countries. Yes, this is the Indian flag, this is the tricolor. You know very well about this flag, and this is, of course, it is Brazilian flag. Yes, if you observe these flags, you will get that this is the circle on this flag, and in this circle there are some dots, white dots you can see. These dots are actually stars, and these are the 26 is number. 26 in number, and these 26 stars that represent the 26 state in Brazil. And here white strip you can see, here it is written Ordem o Progress. So it means that this is the principle of progress and development of the country. Okay. Now this was about all about flags. Now yes, some points. Yes, we are going to differentiate between India and Brazil. So India, you know that India is the second largest populated country in the world, and Brazil, it is the fifth largest populated country in the world. Yes, India is famous for the spices. Okay, and here Brazil, it is known as the coffee pot of the world. Again, cricket is the very popular sport in India, and in Brazil, that is football is very popular sport. Yes, in India, Bharatanatyam and Kathakali, these are the famous dance forms, and in Brazil, Samba dance is very famous. So this was the some comparative details about the Brazil and India. Yes. So we will first of all we will say about India. So here name of the country, it is Republic of India, because India is having its own constitution, and that's why here name of country is Republic of India. Name of capital, you know very well. What is the capital of India? Yes, New Delhi. Capital of India is New Delhi. Now location, where India is located on the globe. Yes, India is located in the northern and eastern hemisphere. Okay. Yes, we have seen about the globe. We have studied about the globe. So it is the northern and eastern hemisphere. Means it is above the equator. Okay, and it is in the southern part of the Asian continent. Latitudinal extent. Okay, so what is the mainland of India? So if we will see considering the latitudinal extent, it is in between 8 degree 4 minute north to 37 degree 6 minute north. So this is the latitudinal extent. And what is the longitudinal extent? So it is in between 68 degree 7 minute east to 97 degree 25 minute east. So this is longitudinal extent. And what is the circles of latitude? Yes, we have seen about the Tropic of Cancer, Tropic of Capricorn. So that are the circles of latitude. But where in the India, that Tropic of Cancer, it passes through the central part of India, because India is in the northern hemisphere, means above the equator, and that's why Tropic of Cancer, it is passes through the central part of India. That is called as the circles of latitude. Okay, this is all details about India. Yes, we will see in our text. So if you see there, so name of the country, this is India, India political. Okay, so name of the country, it is the Republic of India. Yes, and name of the capital, you know very well, it is the New Delhi. Okay, so location, extent and boundaries. Yes, you will see in the map. Yes, this is the political map of India, and that India, it is in the northern and eastern hemisphere, and it is in the southern part of the Asian continent. So latitudinal extent, so if you will see that this is the 8 degree 4 minute north. Yes, you will see this is the last edge of this. So 8 degree 4 minute north to this one. Yes, here it is a 37 degree 6 minute north. So this is the latitudinal extent. And about longitudinal extent, if you will see, so this is here, this is the edge. So 68 degree 7 minute east to this one last here 97 degree 25 minute east. This is the longitudinal extent. From this 68 degree to 97 degree, this is the longitudinal extent. And about the circles of latitude, yes, if you will see, this is here that Tropic of Cancer, it is passing. Yes, here this is the Tropic of Cancer, which passes through the circle of the central part of India. Yes, it is all about the India. So this was all about the mainland of India. Now if you will observe the map again, you will see that there are neighboring countries. Which are the neighboring countries of India? So if you see the north side, so here it is the Afghanistan, okay, China, Nepal and Bhutan in the north side of India. Yes, in the west side you can see it is the Pakistan, and in the south, yes, Sri Lanka and Indonesia, and in the east Bangladesh and that Myanmar you will get. Okay, so what are the water bodies? Yes, here in the west side, so you will get the Arabian Sea. Okay, in the south side that Indian Ocean, and in the east there is the Bay of Bengal. Okay, and here if you see, this is the Andaman and Nicobar Island, and here it is the last tip in the southern part. There is the last tip. This is the Indira Point. Now we will see about the Brazil. So name of the country, it is Federative Republic of Brazil. Republic you know very well. Now what is the federative? Federative means the country. Yes, in the country is the two governments running at the same time, and that's why Brazil is named as the Federative Republic of Brazil. Now what is the capital of Brazil? Capital of Brazil, it is named as Brasilia. Location, yes, Brazil is located in the western hemisphere, and here in the northern part of the South American continent. Where it is located? In the northern part of the South American continent. It is below the equator. Now latitudinal extents of Brazil. Yes, mainland of Brazil, according to the latitudinal extent, it is between 5 degree 15 minute north to 33 degree 45 minute south latitude. Okay, and longitudinal extent, then it is 34. Brazil is located on that at 34 degree 45 minute west to 73 degree 48 minute west that longitude. Okay, and about the circles of latitude, yes, you know that Brazil is located in the southern hemisphere below the equator, and below the equator Tropic of Capricorn is there. So here that equator, it is also passes the northern part of the Brazil. So some part it is in the northern hemisphere, and some part and most of the part it is in the southern hemisphere, and that's why the equator passes to the northern part of the Brazil, and that Tropic of Capricorn, yes, passes to the southern part of the Brazil, because Brazil, most part of the Brazil, it is below the equator. Okay, so this is all about the circles of latitude. Now these all details we are going to see here in the book. So this is the political map of Brazil. Okay, so here we will see that there are 26 states. This is the mainland of the Brazil. Okay, now here it lies between that latitudinal extent of that mainland of the Brazil. It is 5 degree. Yes, 5 degree 15 minute north. Yes, you can see here 5 degree 15 minute north to 33 degree. Yes, here it is 33 degree 45 minute south latitude. Okay, getting, and here 34 degree. Yes, here you will get 34 degree 45 minute west to here 73 degree 48 minute west longitude. Okay, and here again the equator passes through the, this is the equator 0 degree, this is the equator passes through the, this is the northern part of the Brazil, so this is passes through the northern part. Okay, and Tropic of Capricorn, you will get that it is passes in the through the southern part of the Brazil. Yes, 23 degree 30 minutes south, this is the Tropic of Capricorn. So this was all about the mainland. Okay, now you will get that here again what is the, yes, neighboring countries of the Brazil. Yes, if you will see that north side, it is the French Guiana, Suriname. Yes, you will get here French Guiana, Suriname, yes, Guyana, Venezuela and Colombia. These all are the countries which are there. It is in the north side. Okay, and you will get here that North Atlantic Ocean. You can see that neighboring oceans also. So it is the North Atlantic Ocean. Now here it is the west side. You will see that Peru, okay, Bolivia and Paraguay. This is the western that west side that neighboring countries are located, okay. And in the south side that Argentina, yes, here it is, and Uruguay, okay. And east side here it is the that South Atlantic Ocean you will get. Here this is the all it is surrounded by the ocean. It is in the east side, so no countries we will get in the east, okay. So students, you must have understood about the that location and extent of Indian Brazil. So this was all about the Indian Brazil, the details you must have understood. Yes, clear. And you have to learn this because it can be asked in the MCQ questions, okay. So in the next video we are going to see about the historical details of India and